UNseal. Beep, would you like to introduce this beautiful background?
We have Pikachu, Mareep, Pikachu.
Yes, indeedy dandy. This is the Korean playmat Pikachu in a Dream. I got this from Dot's Card Shop. Shout out to them. We'll probably be using this in a few videos. We also got some Cyber Judge and Wild Forest booster boxes, so definitely going to be using it for that video with Beep, of course. But we are not opening those sets here. If you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be opening these big, hefty boxes. We have the premium collections of Paldean Fates. We have the Quaquavel EX, the Meowscarada EX, and the Skeledirge EX. So plenty of stuff to open here. We'll try to keep it really brief. They're very repetitive, and the real meat and potatoes is the 8-packs. So I say we just kind of rip into these. Maybe we'll choose one to open on camera here, and then we'll do the rest and just kind of show the highlights of the inside, since you don't have to watch us open everything. So we'll do this one together. Do the Meowscarada. Standard stuff, though. Alright, so the first thing that is blatantly obvious about these is right off the back, this falls out. So this will be useful to us in a moment, whether you like it or not. Take this off. This is very dense here. Pick it up and feel it. Feel how much crap is in there. Oh yeah, okay, well. You're gonna have to ignore the background noise. We have a new cat, and he's very vocal. So we have our shiny promos of Sprigatito, Florigato, and the full art of Meowscarada EX, which we finally have representation from in this set since it was pulled out to be a promo. Very nice. We'll put these off to the side. We have the big card, the big massive Meowscarada EX. And then we have our standard packs here, just our regular second wave of Paldean Fates. 8 packs in each box. Back on top and underneath. There's like so many layers to this. Beep is trying to corral our little guy. He's very active. And then we have this, which is a little display for the 3 cards that we showed. So maybe at the end of the video I'll show myself kind of popping those cards in, but since we have a very eager cat here, and I have Beep here as well, I don't want to waste her time as much as I don't want to waste your guys' time. So give us a moment. We will open up the other 2 boxes here. Alright. Yeah. Our little cat snorts like a pig. So we're back. On the left side we have the Fuecoco packs. The right side we have the Meowscarada packs, and in the middle we have Quaquavel. So each of them had promos. Again, at the end of the video I will show myself sleeving them up. Pretty standard boilerplate stuff, so I'm sure you guys can wait for that. But until then, Beep, which side would you like to start with? Alright, we're gonna do Meowscarada first. Alrighty. splitting it?
My lucky.
Oh, that's your lucky. I think, I don't even know. I'll just take some off the top. Alright. Well, hey, first cheers. Bang.
We're gonna get all of it.
24 packs. I mean, I'm hoping we get something. For those of you who may not have been watching the past few times I've opened this product, or I've opened this set, the baby shinies are not very abundant, for me at least. So maybe today will be different. Maybe we'll get some more special illustration rares. Maybe Clive.
Oh yeah.
Pew. Fighting. Alright. Let's get to it. Go. Oh, we synced up. Alright, 3, 2. Oh, got Spiritomb. Nice. 3, 2. Oh, you got the Detene.
That's more excited of this one.
That's the real hit right there. We got the Cutie Duty Palmy. Okay, okay. Nothing crazy on Beep's side, unfortunately, but that's the way the cookie crumbles, I guess. Where are we putting stuff? I don't know. I don't know either. It's fine. Alright. Next pack. So, Beep. This set's been out for, what? 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. What do you think so far, from what you've seen?
Cute.
Yeah?
I like it. I feel like it's a fun series.
Yeah. Little cutie set.
And also, like, the hit rate is, like, pretty dang good.
That's always nice. Makes the set feel much nicer to open.
Yeah, like, even though...
Oh,
Wow.
the dog. The angry dog. I'm a positive.
Beautiful. Like, even though, you know, the more common it is that you get a hit, the value of the pack decreases. But I don't give a shit. I won it. So.
Dang, Beep is, she's not messing around. She's cursing on here. She's letting us know the business.
Just give me it. I'm here for the hits.
There you go, guys. Beep knows, she knows what she wants.
UNseal is here for the value.
What in the world? I'm not here for, I mean, it's nice. Let's be real, the value's nice, but it's nice to just see some hit rates, you know? I always like opening, well, we'll disrespect the Gardevoir in this J-shaped sleeve. Maybe it'll straighten it out, who knows? Alright. But yeah, it's just nice to get hits. Get that little dopamine rush, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's better than opening like an entire ETB and not even getting a holo. So sure, they've been adding the holographics to every single Sword and Shield, Scarlet and Violet pack. They've been adding the holos to every single pack and the 2 reverses, so it feels like a consolation prize. But like, honestly, it's better than just getting a whole lot of nothing. So that's how I feel. Oh, we matching. Oh, we matching.
This is weird.
What the heck? No. We are matching.
Resealed.
Oh, nice. I wish we were matching. Dang, she's scratching them all up. I love it.
With the new nails.
The new nails, yeah. They look good. They look good. I like them. Great work. Great work. I think that's a new shiny, so that deserves a good sleeve. There you go. Alrighty. it time for your lucky bag?
Yes, it is.
Maybe how about we put all the hits up here and stack them up so we can have a nice big recap? Yeah. Here, we'll hide them for the people to see.
There, so.
Did I? Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright. Bam. Let's see if we can, if the left side can start doing a little better here. We're getting crushed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, are we synced up again?
That's relief.
Wait, you don't want to match me? Wait, what the heck? Weird. Are you about to have an Atticus? Oh, we got the Alucha. Nice. Looking beautiful.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, we really are matching. Scratchy dub. Alrighty. We're starting to get more shinies here. This is nice. I think our luck is turning around.
Yes.
Alright, Beep. Where do you want to go next? We did the Meowscarada. We did the Meowscarada stack. We have Fuecoco and Quaxley. Alright. Do you want to choose your lucky again?
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna take the back one. I'll just leave it at the bottom. I don't know.
You go first.
You go first. Oh, thanks. You alright?
Yeah,
Alright. Breathing. Yeah, I know. I'm just messing with you. Water. Dang.
that's right. For being mean.
Alright, let's see. We got Charmander. Let's see if we can get a big shiny here. A massive shiny. I miss when we used to match cards. That was nice. Ooh. Get the Murkrow. Yeah, you're getting the Dedenne like crazy. Okay.
We're gonna have an army of the Dedenne.
At this rate, yeah. I think I'm catching up on my side.
Oh, yeah.
I think now it's your turn. Start pulling them heaters. Beep. Oi. What if I wanted that one? Bang it out. Pow, pow, pow. Give me that SAR. Ooh. Beep playing music over there. Alright, fire.
Bam.
Oh my god, now it's water. Gotta be joking me. Wait. Oh my god, I almost dropped everything. Oh yeah. Here we go. I smell something.
It smells good.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh,
Oh, it must be the next card that smells good.
bam.
Bam. Oh my.
Bam.
Bam.
We can clock out.
Yeah, my bad. I think I was smelling something bad. Smelling some crap out.
It's the silent fart.
There you go. Smelling them silent farts. There you go. You got the Pikachu. Ay. I will never smell anything again. Alright, so I'm not sure about anybody who's watching, but if you've opened these, feel free to let us know the hit rates for you guys. I mean, they're pretty expensive. Retail, they're like $40 to $50, something like that. So we definitely did not pay that price. We actually bought these boxes from Forge and Fire Gaming. Forgot to give them a shout out in the beginning. Whoopsie. But yeah, we bought it from them, and they were about $30 to considerably cheaper. So if you have the opportunity to buy online, I think this is a great product to do so.
Oh my god.
What a cutie.
She's beautiful.
What a cutie.
Yes. Yes.
Babe, this should have been your back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my.
Stinky back galore over there.
Yeah.
But you got your lucky. That's gotta be a banger right there. That's gotta be a banger. The big sister.
We do have the big sister.
Do we?
Yes.
I gotta check. I gotta set up a binder for this. It's getting out of hand. You might be right. Yeah, you might be right. Hey. How you doing? But yeah, I would say this is a great product if you can find it for under $40, considering the amount of packs, 8 packs, and also the card stands and all the promos. I think it's fantastic pricing, but anything over 40, pushing the 50 mark, even more than that, my gosh, I think it's a little too much in my opinion, but hey, to each their own. Got the pigs, the eggs, round boys. Okay, we got the big boys. We got the items. Oh, we got the little flittle. Beautiful. Oh. Okay. Dang. Alright, well, Fue Coco box, not as crazy.
I wonder, like, do we even get like more hits than just a small shiny?
I don't know. I mean, honestly, the small shinies are, if we're talking about value, I know. If we're talking about value, the small shinies hold kind of the most because there's so many and it's hard to get as many. I don't know. Crazy. But, alright, peep. Final one. Pick your lucky.
It's looking at me.
Oh yeah, I'm taking the bozo as my lucky. Let's shuffle them up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Let's get them nice and lubed up.
No.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's been done. You can't take it back now. Who's in there?
Oh my. Nothing.
Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. I'm a hazard over here. Okay. Here we go. This is gonna be the big box. I know it.
First hit.
This is because Quaxley was my starter in the game, and boom.
Yeah.
So I know this is gonna be a banger. It has no choice. Got Lapras and Haunter. Little babies. Beautiful. Oh. 3, 2. Oh, we got Kadabra. Dang. Welcome back, Kadabra. Oh, what the?
Whoa, what? What?
Hashtag twins. Okay, interesting.
That was crazy. Talk about double hits.
Yeah, what the heck?
It is possible. Paldean.
Very interesting.
It's just our luck. In the same box.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's see what more. If there's any more to offer, hopefully that wasn't all of our luck. Peep, I think you're gonna get a banger right here. Like, it's gonna knock our socks off.
I want Snorlax.
What? Pikachu or Ditto? Dang it. Oh,
Second time is not a charm.
that was brutal. That was brutal. But, I mean, hey, let's do a nice brief recap right on the fly. Why not?
Oh.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I got our bubble.
Oh, blue.
We got blue. We got yellow.
I can't hear you. What?
We got aspen.
What? I can't hear you, Beep.
And then we have
Beep, I'm gonna edit this and we're barely gonna be able to hear it. Get close. Oh my gosh. Beep imploded. Oh my lord.
I almost bent it.
Alright, well. Beep is a mess. You okay? Alright. Oh no.
Maybe I'm not done.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, that's right. A couple of Didinis with the hair. Do you wanna name out my cards too?
Oh my god.
I got. Then we have. And then we got. God, we're ridiculous. Then we got. EX.
EX.
Oh, our cat loves Palmy.
Yeah, you got it. That's Palmy.
Well, anyways, nothing too crazy in this opening, but we got a lot of baby shinies, a couple of duplicates, unfortunately, but you know how it goes. Here, we'll lay them out up top here. A little bit nicer. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course, our Didenis. So, let us know what you guys think of these boxes. There's another wave of Paldean Fates coming out, which is the booster bundles, and I believe that's the last item. So, let's see how those hit rates are when the time comes.